This summer, the CMSC is the place to be for anyone and everyone interested in portable coordinate metrology. CMSC celebrates its 30th anniversary with its 2014 event in beautiful and historic Charleston, South Carolina, July 21st through 25th. The CMSC offers attendees a close-up look at today's most accurate portable 3D technologies, including CMMs, articulated arms, laser trackers, structured light scanners, photogrammetry systems, and much more. The agenda includes white paper presentations from more than 24 leading practitioners in the field. Attendees will also have the opportunity to sit for examinations of industry's only Level 1 and Level 2 personnel certifications for 3D portable metrology. These proctored tests measure and verify the technical competence of metrology professionals. New for 2014 is the Measurement Zone, offering hands-on experience in metrology fundamentals, best practices, and workshops. Don't miss the laser tracker competition where you can pit your measurement skills against those of your peers. Mark your calendars now for CMSC 2014, July 21st through 25th in Charleston, South Carolina. We'll see you there.